onwe story now no gas no everywhere. Now no story, many stories. The man na akọgheri. Ebuka Obi ji mee nka, na Ebuka Obi ji mee nka. Do you know who is Ebuka Obi? Onye we Ebuka Obi. Ọmarịcha nwa Jehova Chineke nna Jọs build omodo no his own creature. Mee ya prophet. Onye amụma bịa na Igbo. Ịzọpụta everybody. Ịzọpụta mamụ maka. Izie na-agba ya mgba ka ịgbagide ya. Ndị be anyị si na onye amaghị ebe ya ebe na onwe ni ozu a na-ama ebe ụkwụ isi a na ụkwụ ya dị. Ebuka Obi is a pure true man of God. Ịmakwa mmadụ na onye Ebuka Obi tọgọ na-abụ. Ịmakwa mmadụ na onye Ebuka Obi napụtago. Ịmakwa mmadụ na onye Ebuka Obi zọgọ na-efidikwa ma till date. How many prophets in Nigeria can proudly speak out like Ebuka Obi? No prophet. No prophet. Do you know how many years I have been wondering about? Now brought this Zion ministry. Now put them to this my level, to this my extent. Mother pota mother Chineke kere pota. It's a priest. In a against Ebuka Obi. Why not face your priesthood? Why not face what is facing your family? Why not face what is facing you? Why not face what meant for you and leave what meant for another man? Akpọpụta gị na Ebuka Obi keta na n'ihe gbasara iwu ihe ụka. Ihe aganwu ya, ihe emenwu half of ihe Ebuka Obi mego. That is what I wanted to ask you. Why not face your call to God? I think you said you're a priest, you're a man of God. Face what concerns you and God and leave Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Nke a bụ nke anyị for sure. I'm odeka life I've been living. I'm odeka life I've been living for a while, for before. But when I was directed to Zion, the first day I stepped my foot in Zion, my body system, everything changed automatically. The way he prayed, the way his narration, everything about this man of God. In fact, this man of God is a true man of God. Let me just tell you the sincere. You don't need to fight him. I'm still telling you that you don't need to fight grace because there is grace in him. Ona agago DJ, ona agafe godo gisefu. So si ebubi yourself na mmụọ. Nwa Chukwu ji wee mee ebube from Imo State. Odo ọkwa n'isi. Ịghọtago? Na-asị gị na ọ dịghị izi na nke a bụ nke anyị. Hapụ na Ebuka Obi ka o mee ihe Chukwu kpọrọ ya okwu ka ọ bịa mee n'ụwa. Ebuka Obi agabekwa n'aka. Asị gị na ọkwọ bụ ebinsi akwọ mana aka m na-esi binsi mmanya na-esi everywhere. Hapụ na Evangelist Ebuka Obi ka o mee ihe Chukwu zitere ya ka ọ bịa mee n'ụwa. Nwa Chukwu zitere ka ọ bịa napụta ndị mmadụ. Ịma how many people na-eme ihe ọgwụ na many states, many local government Ebuka Obi tọgọ na abụ kịta ha nọzi in God, under control of God. Na-efe Chukwu n'eziokwu na ịma how many ashawo yes na-agbashawo in many countries, Libya, Indonesia, Malaysia, Jakarta, everywhere. Ghana, many places. Ebuka Obi napụtago kpọpụtacha ha na ashawo lane, ashawo tietche ha na business and meetings. Ima how many people Ebuka Obi meguru ọgaranya today? And what are you telling me about this prophet? He's a true man of God. This is our own. Ebuka Obi Zion ministry is our own. It's our own. Nobody can stop him. He's moving higher. We don't even want to care. We don't even want to send whatever you people are saying on social media, even comedian, even whatever. That is not our business. Our concern is Ebuka Obi will live long. I've been living all manner of life, all sort of life. But when I come to Zion, I now realize that is God. If you are praying to God, you pray to God with your heart. Leave Evangelist Ebuka Obi alone. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is everything we have in Igbo land for now. He's our second God. God speaks through him to us. Open Evangelist Ebuka Obi, a prophet like him. A prophet na many youth na abo. A prophet na-eme ka things na-aga ka Chukwu si wee chọọ ya. A prophet imagwa how many single shoes omego keta ha bụrụ couples. But I bụrụ Reverend Father na-ekwu maka Ebuka Obi na ọ na-eme arrange na ọ na-eme fake testimony. Who are you? How many people knows you? We don't want trouble. If we want to make trouble to you, we will come out for you and we'll make sure we get you. You understand me? So you don't need to fight Ebuka Obi. Just rest and respect yourself. Make sure fight what is fighting you. Leave Evangelist Ebuka Obi alone. For life. Ebuka Obi is a true man of God. There is never a thing that came out from this man of God's mouth that doesn't come to prosper. It prospered. Nobody that come to Zion and will tell you that Ebuka Obi is not a true man of God. Once you come, you will confirm. If you don't confirm it from your ear, you confirm it from your eyes. You will see there is differences. Ebuka Obi is a true, genuine man of God. In Africa as a worldwide, I have never seen a prophet like Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Talk more of you, Reverend Father. Who goes you? Zion will move. We believe in the miracle and we believe in what God is using Evangelist Ebuka Obi doing in our family, in our different families, in areas, in our businesses. God is powerfully using this man of God, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. When I pick somebody in the street or teacher your child, on your bottom mother overnight. Evangelist Ebuka Obi will tell you what you're supposed to do to maintain your spiritual lane as a young man, as a single fellow. How many of you Reverend Fathers and bloggers have gathered or called marital situation, marital challenges and settled it amicably, and that family now become one? None of you. All you people see on social media is once there is a little mistake, a little error, you will pick it as a big deal and you start using it against this man of God. It's very wrong. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a true prophet of our own time. He's a ledger of our own time. So we move, Zionite. Zion all over the world, we fly. That's Ebuka Obi is like an eagle. Eagle can always be flying. Nobody can even touch him. Not one man, not one woman. He's a true man of God. No native doctor, no SNY, no Abarakataba can stop Evangelist Ebuka Obi. So Zion, we move.